We'll use Chronon to debug an existing recording of the Antler parser generator. The recorded console view shows you all the output that was made to the console by this program. Here we can see that a warning message was output. Now we'll use Chronon to figure out the root cause of this message. We can click directly on this line and we'll jump to the point in time when that message was output. And we can see the entire stack trace and the value of all the variables at this point in time. Now we can always just step back to figure out the root cause, or we can just directly click on any of these methods on the stack to see the state they were in at this point in time. Here we can see that the error message was output because this error manager.nondeterminism line was called, and that was called because the size of disabled alts was greater than 0. And we know that these lines executed because we can see this green execution path over here, which shows the lines that were executed for this call to this method. Now we can go a step further and figure out why disabled alts was greater than 0. Let's just jump directly to this line where disabled alts is assigned, and we do that just by clicking on the line directly and step into this method call. Here we see that a new set is created and items are added to it. We see that by just looking at this green line over here. So going back, let's see what else happens to disable alts. If we step inside this method, we see that disable alts.remove is never called because there's no green line over here. So we know that items were added to disable alts, but nothing was ever removed from it. And that's why this error message was output.